IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever found something valuable that someone else had lost? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I found a wallet once in a shop. I didn't know what to do at first, but I gave it to the staff. I thought it was the right thing, but I wasn't really sure.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, some hesitations, not much detail. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited use of descriptive language. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, some inaccuracies. Pronunciation, mostly understandable but with occasional unclear words. Typical of Band 5. Limited range, basic communication, but meaning mostly clear. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, a few years ago, I found a phone on a park bench. I checked if there was a lost contact or a lock screen message, but since there wasn't, I handed it in at the nearest police station. I felt quite relieved when they later called me to say the owner had collected it.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and detailed, logical sequence. Lexical resource, good vocabulary, lock screen message, collected, relieved. Grammar, mostly accurate, complex sentences used effectively. Pronunciation, clear, natural rhythm. Typical of Band 7.5, strong control, detailed answers, natural flow. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, I once came across a small jewelry pouch outside a cafe, and it turned out to contain a gold necklace. I immediately contacted the cafe manager and left my details in case the owner returned. A day later, the lady phoned me personally to thank me, which honestly made my whole week.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, well-expanded, engaging storytelling. Lexical resource, precise vocabulary, jewelry pouch, contacted, returned. Grammar, fully flexible and accurate. Pronunciation, natural, smooth, native-like delivery. Typical of Band 9, sophisticated, precise, fully controlled language. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.